Hello friends, my name is Adi. I'm studying 3rd standard. Today I'm going to tell about Vedic matrix multiplication. In the multiplication there are two ways. First trick 34 into 36. Now multiply 4 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 to 12, 6 is 18, 6 was 24. So the answer is 24. Now the number after 3 is definitely 4. Now write here 4 and multiply 4 into 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 12, 4 3s are 16, 4 4s are 4 3s are 16. Oh sorry, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Now answer is 1224. Now I will explain with the second example. Now the second example. Into 16. Now multiply 6 into 2. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 12. Now multiply. Now the number after 1 is 2. So write here 2 and multiply 2 into 1. It's 2. So write here 2. The answer is 212. Now the third example. Now the third example. Into 22. Now multiply 8 into 2. 8 ones are 8 is a 16. So the answer is 16. Now multiply. Now add the next number to 1 is 2. So write here 2. Now multiply 2 into 1. Oh sorry, 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. The answer is 4. Now 416. Now I will explain the trick number 2. The question 22 into 26. Now multiply 6 into 2. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. So write here 12. Now multiply 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So now write here 4 and add to 6. 4 plus 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Ten 112. Now the second example. 63 3 into 68. Now multiply 8 into 3. 8 ones are 8 is 16, 8 is 24. So the answer is 24. Now multiply 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 1, 6 threes are 18, 6 to 24, 6 fours are 30, 6 is 36. So write here 36. Now add to 8. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. The answer is 44. Now 4424. Now example number 3. 88 into 91. Now multiply 8 into 1. 8 ones are 8. So write here 8. Now multiply 8 into 9. 8 ones are 8 is 16, 8 is 24, 8 fours are 30. 8 ones are 8 is 16, 8 is 24, 8 fours are 30, 8 fours are 45, 8 six are 42, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. Now write here 72 and add the 1. It's 73. So write here 73. 738. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye friends.